Hi Dancer's Edge, I just wanted to get you guys feeling confident with your makeup look for this competitive dance season. So to start off, we're going to use some setting spray. You can use a primer if you prefer. This just helps lock it in throughout the entire day. Then we're going to go in with the foundation, whether you choose liquid stick or a spray, all will be amazing and the coverage that you need. Just blend it out with this kabuki brush and you'll be set. Then we're going to have some concealer underneath our eyes if you need that area to brighten a little bit like me. I have some dark circles. Blend it out with a blending bud. I like to pull it across my eyelid to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. Take some bronzer, rub it on your cheekbone, along your jawline, along your hairline, and on the side of your nose, and then finish off with some blush. Brows are optional, you guys. They do help frame your face. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial of how to do that if you choose. And again, if you don't, that's okay as well. All right, so just line the bottom, then the top, fill it in, brush it out, and you'll be good. Now, this purple eyeshadow, you guys, is going to make this look. All right, so take a little bit on the outer corner of your eye, blend it in like you would like almost like a sideways triangle, if you could picture that, okay? I like to use a fluffy crease brush for this. Blend it out like a windshield wiper along your crease, and then pat it on the lid a little bit, and you'll be good to go. If any excess falls on the bottom, just use a fluffier brush to blend that out. Then I take an eyeliner brush and run it underneath a little bit, and then time for that highlight shade that's going to brighten the whole eye look. Take it in on the inner corner, kind of like a sideways triangle as well. Then use it as a highlight in your brow area, your tip of your nose, the inner corner of your eye, Cupid's bow, and then your highest points of your cheekbones as well. Then I like to take my fluffy crease brush and blend that out a little bit more, and then you're set. Now it's time for liquid eyeliner, you guys, okay? So I like to use just a little bit in little strokes all the way across. When it comes to the wing, line it with the bottom lash line, okay? Make your line and then connect the top to the rest and fill in the hole, just like that. Now, if you want to use magnetic lashes, a mascara, or strip lashes, that's up to you, okay? For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the magnetic lashes. If you choose not to, just do 2 to 3 coats of the 4D mascara or use your strip lashes, okay? So I like to go in with my magnetic liner on top before I apply a light coat of my mascara, all right? Then make sure you add some to the bottom as well. Take your strip lashes or your magnetic lashes once it's dry. We're going to go in, apply it, and then grab the tweezers and anchor the ends. Now, it comes with 10 little mini anchors as well, so if you want to have all day stay and you're worried about that, then you can take a little mini anchor, add it to the outer corner and the inner corner with your tweezers. It just pops right on and stays put. Now, to set it all day, you can use a setting powder or a setting spray. I'm really oily, so I like to add in a little bit more of a powder. Finish off with a red lip stain lipstick, you guys, okay? So blot it off to get any excess off, and you will have all day wear with this one. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out.